Hey guys, name is T. Evans at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. This morning I'm going to be showing a 2020 MasterCraft NXT22. This particular boat does have the white hull bottom, jet stream blue hull sides. It's got the platinum interior with the jet stream accent in it. Does have a fiberglass swim platform. Got C-deck on the swim platform. This boat here does have the upgraded stereo system, of course, Gen 2 surf. We did the 2 tower speakers you see there. Take my shoes off, climb on board. Got the nice wraparound seating all the way from the co-captain's lounge all the way to the back. Plethora of cup holders there. Step on down into the boat. Again, this is the NXT22. Nice dash. The new captain's chair this year. Does swivel slide. Got the 4.5-inch screen. Ballast setting. New for 2020 also is the presets in the system, which is really, really nice. Very large bow for a 22-foot boat. Notice that you do have leg room up here, so you can sit facing one another. So there's no ballast right there in the center. The ballast is all subfloor. In the back, co-captain's wraparound seating. And this is just one of many that we have in stock. I've got another 2020 right there. I got one 2019 left over right there. Got a killer deal on that. Got a NX220 over there, X24. Got a lot of MasterCrafts in the showroom. Again, but this specific one is a 2020 NXT22. If you have any questions, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day. Thank you.